Today we are going to make chicken chowmein. So we will get into the video now.
First of all, we'll cut the chicken breast. Okay, there you go. Some lemon juice first. Some soy sauce. Some chili. Some turmeric. Salt to taste, and some cumin and coriander. We will also put some garlic.
Now we have to mix everything, and then once mixing it will come like this. So we just took out the marinated chicken from fridge after 1 hour. Now we'll cut all the veggies we need for this. So our veggies are ready. We have put the oil in the gas already. So it's been 5 to 10 minutes. So now we're gonna put the chicken. So we're just gonna fry the chicken. So we fried our chicken for 10 minutes, and also in the meantime we add some chickpeas so that it can give you best taste on the chicken chowmein. And it's ready over here. We'll put first chili and garlic, and we'll fry for 2 minutes. We'll put some onion, carrot and cabbage. In the meantime we'll be ready for the sauce. So now we're gonna put our ingredients for chicken chowmein, which is chowmein obviously. Add our fried chicken with some chickpeas. Now we're gonna add our sauce that we made ready before. Now we're gonna stir it up. So after frying for some time, our chicken chowmein is ready, and this is how it looks right now.